Gay. Not forget what is it beneath the opportunity to put my ha by finding the Tokai diplomatic area, able to see an ornamental, ha Manaka Foki give for a full way, at least here, office at way. If officer money in the Tokai found from my fire, Afidala, it don't need. Took a holding a hackaday, him food after that, took a renter. Sigmane and the non-way motor may be here. Qualata che fa opportunity, no more, che fare no dossier che sala. Che fa I'm residence, che non offoi, ma fa I fuki che la time we officer can't find this be here. Not for you for kiss be here, we have a lot. Si lo kai ma ha phone no lingo khoi ta han ne long matei ke ko ni ke fa le bring tun ke wo sio me fang fu ya ta la no to wo sio me lingo fu ya ana wo double day in value si ke bene ha ke bene tu e ko no no anga ke property ke ha ko a submission ke the trustees but manako ke on fu ke me as part of what I consider as being investments rather than putting money towards something that will not fetch a return in the long term. We're spending $44,000 just on the office at the present time. And the expectation was that the price of that will continue to increase. And I didn't believe, in fact, that it was good use of our money. The opportunity arose because the house was on sale in the right area. Property values in that area will not drop. They, in fact, will increase. And therefore, that opportunity was taken up with the trustees of the trust fund, and they have agreed, subject to conditions being met, and we're in the process of finalising those at the present time. Friday Wellington, I make a I'm officer, it's in Dala, I appropriate to those here, can't cookie and those get salad. I'm a Manokia, I'm a Turu Nahni, Moai, Rosie, the Rangi, Moai, Farinake, I go my father the nose, the Hikum in the name of Dulu, Mahina, Pum. I Molihan at Hawaii, if here these properties will lose value. I've never seen that happen in New Zealand necessarily, especially in the areas where the market values will continue to rise or remain. There are certain areas in New Zealand where the property market may drop. But in my experience, and I've purchased 2 houses in New Zealand, if you buy in the right places, then the property values will continue to increase. As I've said, so I expect that this property will continue to appreciate in value and continue to, in fact, make money. Finally, it is another form of investment, and I've heard some members in the House this morning say exactly that. It is another form of investment. Instead of leaving it in the trust fund, we basically transferred it and invested it in property.
Piece on that, Mr. Speaker, is that can we be assured that the running costs of this new place is not going to exceed the $184,000 that we're paying now per year? Or is it going to cost us a lot more money for this new house to run each year? Thank you.
The Speaker is not costing us $184,000. I don't know where he got that figure from. It'll cost us in rates, as I understand it, about $9,000, which is still cheaper than the $44,000 that we paid just for the office. And the fact that we're selling the property a year here, in Northway, means that we're not going to have to pay any further maintenance costs on that property as well. So we're saving a considerable amount of money annually. And if I've done my maths correctly, we're probably looking at a saving of about $50,000 annually by just the mere fact of purchasing this. The key to this is the fact that the opportunity arose because the house was available in the right place in what we call the diplomatic area of Wellington. And secondly, the opportunity arose for disbursement of some funds from the trust, the newer trust account. And as I said, the trustees that have given their approval subject to conditions being met, and we're in the process of finalising that at the present moment.
Kaue, mawhala, tuko tu ke puri mai loftu lo.
Kaue ba fa te fon. Koe huhu fukini ma tu premia ke fale ni wa mana ki ata tu ke fatau. Ke ue 2 milion na mesi ue me 4 milion. Koe lahi ve fe fale ia ha ron rai mani ka ha. Linga ni ka ha koe tahana fai. Koe ue milion na ia ka fatau ke fale ia. Si ono na kai ma premia ke tangata ka no fe fale ia. Koe niwe moe a mamana ki foki ke whai hoko taki na kai puka whaiti ne whata mai ki tau tūru he lata mai tuanga he kotofa ki Wellington ke iloa ka he tau tūru hei pe he tam nei ma whala e whakahoranga e mi takila he tau mana usi e ke he hakao no noanga ia he pe he au ka pe he koe niwe ka nofu ai e koe lahi te whee whare, tunga e ka hako e ofisa na Havana. E ma whara fuki, ka koe tau o taki muitua ke he tonga hua, ne toka i Wellington. Hako i loe te tūru, toko longa fuki e te tūru tu matakai nanga i o kalama. Ni ana hako ni huhu atu. Kua maua mana ki na gai mana tuanga he whakatu whono, ko hai, kata hifo ke he whare ia. Ke mai ke matūru ka hamo e ke pehe mita, koe matakai nanga ni we, koe tangata pehe me pehe, moe toho koe te mongo i mua to mita ki tau mena ka mua mai. Kai haianga ia ni ka ha question mark tunga whata hau. Pehe ma premia haka to manatu. Ke tali mena ka heko i whiwhi hata mana manatu haka to manatu ia. Aue.
Tiri wheki pore. Hata ki whana hai e tau wata ke lātai me whare ni. It's a 5-bedroom house. Tahe te kitchen tasilum, tahe kitchen lahi kirikere. Tūru e poko ofisa, tahe poko mohe, tahe garage kirikere fuki. Si kisia mo tūru me ononwei, tu tālai fuki mo ia nuka hua e mga huni. Si fia ia hau kisia ia koe lahi whai. Si tungana ia hei loa e te tūru, koe lau lahi he tunga hua e mga huni. Ki tau whangamena tunga behe ki tau whono ka eke kua tokoranga. Ko ke ka eke kua manako e kui whakatwhono niwe. Ke utai ke whono e he tau restaurants. Ko ke tau poko no ka tause. Ko ke oatu e ke tau ofisa mihi he tau tangate no ka manako e ke whono. Kano hei ni tause bihe mahata ke whono. Lahi e whai. Di me poko mohe. Mo e lahi fuki poko tau alunga. Mo e lahi fuki a kirikere. Koe whare ne, koe whare ne toka I tunga ni Lateo. It's in the middle of the diplomatic area in Wellington, and it's unlikely that it's going to drop. It's not going to drop in value. The second thing, koe manatu ke pakisia tu koe te tangata ni weni ka watu ke ngā hui unitu. Hako te rahui, ai mai ke mana te whakatwhono di mua, ka koe whakatwhono ne ka manako ni ke tangata ni weni ke whanatu e ngā hui unitu. Koe lahi mahara ki whono.
Kaue, mawhala tau tupe whakamore he whakatwhono ke he matakupu ia ni ko whakahiku ki ai. Mawhala, koe tau tupe whakamore he whakatwhono ni ko alafilafi mo e whasifasi ai ke lalafi ke he whasifasi anga tupe maua mo whakamore whakatwhono mai tau ua e awhi pongofuru ke ua e whamataha ko whakatatoa ai ke he hiwa miliona one se o me walu fu maua e tau tāra, tari he whona ke puri nei. Paue, tau tupe maua. Pawhala e taha. Pawhala e ua, koe leini ke ua ake he hifu mai he tau tupe maua. Mawhala e ha kua lahi fuki ni whakatu tāla ke he whikau nai lunga he resident. Mawhala e trust fund receipt na. Laini ke whaa ki he hifu mai lunga ma whara huhuma i ke
tau whare a tunga ne whakatutale mga kwa mari kua moua mai ki tau tupe ia mai alau tulu e ne kwa sela ki e tau whare
Lili Fekpur.
Fare ni kwa sala ma hadi fono mo e tahe fare kwa sala. Tuure fare ni kwa mau popo e bani kisal. Ske dinga ue fare ni tae he ha ko ilo. Ki hie whakataka ma hadi fono. Ki haie te ngata ne manako. Kai haie fuki tau vihu haka whakamau popo he te tupi haro tu. Aber mina kio ke bedahiku tau ni to whakausi e te fare ni kisal. Roila he ma hadi fono.
Kawe. Fala, Horatu, April tax reforms, Tupimaua.
April tax returns, where does that refer to in the budget? Because the budget line for NCT is 1,500,000. Is that going to be additional to that amount, or is it? But that doesn't read that way on this piece of paper.
Aya he lau pepa he schedule taha.
Lili Fekpur. Tuku ne hiloi da tūru kumna he whakatakatanga he whanu ke tuku hifu threshold ke tuku mbali me aftara. Ke da tuku lofi e mamna ke kai ke ko famuri e ke pahin na berira he taupu. De tupe ke lof dilunga ke bo me ye e whakoranga e maha ki whana. Ki hie whamama kawila.
Okay, klawe. Whahorotu ke he laini individual tax income. Lifuko.
Are the expats going to be paid more salary to cover that increase in taxation? Thank you.
I think van wawila hi hu na kai e mamna ke maturu ki. Ko bena ni ne ke he ma ne ko tungi tax OCD de tu pero tu de mo ai tu me na ko de tu. Hini. Be ma hala ko mare to hoko e KC ne ko hatu tara e de tu ni. Ko bena ke ni u contract e man expatriate taha mo e fono do sil tungi tax ni do sil. Ai taha mo e fono do tu tungi tax ni he tu ni mo ni he tungi ni. Ai mo ne ko hiki doin. Ko taha ni contract si tungi yo si ni tax ana ke buduni. Si kan ho e ne la fi gi lu usi o aftara ke he do tu tungi tax tungi fa mama tu. Ko ila na de ko.
Kawe Korota do toru ke he NDB na fora philatelic na fora.
Mr. Speaker, just asking the Premier, is this company, is it subject to the audit reports from the auditors? Thank you.
Speaker, yes. Bahani ko dausi de e pokotaki he the auditors la he fi harotu e de memregi ki but otherwise fi ke harotu ro taki ko tu ko mai fa ilo mai ga ka ba mena ke ki mo wa audit report ye ga la tai mo mo ko ni voor de van ke da ma ho mo fo ile
tawe ma fala ko do tupe mo ho fono kua pralatala ke la fiat e tau o ia fo fulu ke o ia fo mata ko fakatoa ai ke hiba miliona ona se o me bonu ko mo da waftala tali e fono ke pudi nei kawe kua ma fola tua e lau pepa ia se ko ma fola fuki tua e lau pepa schedule ta schedule ua ma schedule tolu he whakatutalanga dau tolu mai he lau pepa tahana. Whakahoroto dau tolu ke he schedule he taha whahi, ko he schedule ke whaaki. tuku atu ke hoko mai ia ki loto e tanganga hua ki loto he